IDRONECT drone management platform enabling the transport of medical goods with drones for Endeva. IDRONECT has two products. One is IDRONECT UTM for authorities, the other one is IDRONECT OS for drone businesses. Our mission is to clear the air so pilots can focus more on flying and authorities can maintain a full control over their airspace. After registration, a pilot can submit a mission. This mission can be approved or revoked by the authority. Communication logs between the pilot and the authority are kept. Critical documents can be downloaded and stored. The airspace can be managed by the authority on a continuous basis. Strategic deconfliction is an important part of BVLOS activities. Logs are kept of flights and can be replayed on demand. Breaches can be detected as well. During live tracking, these breaches can result in the sending of messages to the pilots to force them to land. IDRONECT OS is an operating system that enables drone businesses to manage their entire operations in IDRONECT. Projects can be created. Critical team members can be added to projects. Drones can be selected. Zones can be selected. Checklists are made. The weather is checked. The airspace and NOTAMs can be monitored. An action board is present to maintain a clear overview of the project and the whereabouts of your team. Drones and equipment can be managed with maintenance logs with maintenance instructions that are sourced straight from the manufacturer. An agenda is kept for team members.